Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and you're watching the second episode of the Maldives series. I was staying at Centara Grand Island Resort, which is a Thai owned brand. So it was offering a mix of both Thai as well as Maldivian experiences. ये जो आइलैंड है ये डिसेंट साइज का था. इट wasn't too huge and it wasn't too small, and the best part was it wasn't crowded at all. और आप देख सकते हैं कि जो आइलैंड है उसके आसपास कोई ज्यादा आइलैंड्स है नहीं. The other islands or the resorts were quite far away, so in that way the privacy was great. I love the fact that you just had to walk a few steps and there you are in the pristine turquoise waters. Water babies will love this place. You could see people snorkeling, canoeing, kayaking throughout the day. I myself was one of them. On this note, do keep a watch out on my next videos where I'm going to showcase the amazing marine life. Coming back to the property, Centara Grand Island has multiple types of accommodation. आपका बीच विला हो गया, आपका सनसेट ओवर वाटर विला हो गया, सनराइज विला हो गया, and I think each one of them has their unique features. I'm sure you can see how exclusive each one of the accommodations are. So they had three different types of restaurants, one of them offering Thai cuisine, the other offering Italian, and the third one was global, where you could just walk in and have a buffet kind of dinner, breakfast, or lunch. You could just walk from one end of the island to the other end in 10-15 minutes. So that was quite convenient, and all the restaurants, lounges, game areas were very close to each other, and to the rooms or the accommodations as well. So that was a good part of it. I think majority of the island resorts offer similar facilities, if not the same. And the logic is that if you're staying with them for 3 to 4 days, you tend to utilize or experience all the services and facilities at the same place. You really don't need to venture out far unless you're going on some kind of sunset cruise, dolphin cruise, or any kind of underwater excursion as such. So I'm ending the video with an aerial shot taken during the sunset time, and you can see the amazing golden colors of the sky and the amazing background of the island resort as such. Hope you are enjoying this series. The next video will be on the accommodation tour, so do keep a watch out for that one. Thank you so much.